to Shamon's Kitchen. Today, I'm not going to keep you very long. I just want to show you how to properly wrap up an egg roll. Easy, simple steps to take. Just wanted to share this with you, okay? So, you have your egg roll wraps. These are kind of like the smaller egg roll wraps. And today, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up corned beef egg rolls, okay? So this is how you're going to wrap them. You're going to have diagonal egg roll wrap. I'm going to go ahead and start stuffing. I have my cheese. Put it on that. I'm going to go ahead and take the meat on the egg roll wrap. Okay? As much as you want. If you think you're going to make it too big, you go ahead and double your wrap, okay? And we're going to go ahead and take a little bit more different cheese, okay? So you're going to take it, angles this way, angle that way, and you're going to start rolling. So you take it and you tuck, okay? And you're going to take the angle this way, make it go this way, and I'm going to use an egg wash. Instead of water, some people use water. I like using egg wash. It works better for me. And you're going to take the other angle and go this way, okay? Wash. And you're going to take the egg roll tightly and you're going to roll it up. And you're going to make sure that the ends are secured. There you have it, your egg roll wrap. You go ahead and place it in the grease and get to frying. Just wanted to share with you guys today on how to make a tightly secured egg roll wrap. Thank you guys for checking me out. Be blessed. Subscribe to Shamon's Kitchen. Check me out on Facebook at Shamon's Snyder. And then check me out also on Instagram at Shamon's Kitchen. Thank you guys. Be blessed.